One of the current biggest debates in political circles these days is about taxes, and namely how much more the rich should be taxed. We all hear the cry coming from the left and President Obama that the rich just aren't paying their fair share and they need to contribute just a little more and share the responsibility. Of course, that argument is based on the false premise that a percentage of one's income is somehow equal to the actual real dollars that one pays. Now, if a person making $50,000 a year owes 20% in income tax, they pay $10,000 a year. If a person makes $1 million a year and pays the same rate of income tax as the $50,000 a year earner, they will then have a tax burden of $200,000 per year. One user of basic government services such as roads, bridges, and protection from terrorists by the U.S. military pays $10,000 a year for such benefits, and another citizen pays $200,000 a year for those exact same benefits. Where is the fairness in that? While the debate continues between the right and the left in this country, one economist is standing up and saying, whoa, wait a minute, the current tax system really isn't fair to anyone. Peter Schiff of Euro Pacific Capital says the tax system we now have needs to be completely abolished. Now, before you liberals go apoplectic and wonder how the government gets funded, Schiff proposes taxing consumption instead of income, and that is really the most fair way for the Fed to raise money. Taxing income actually demotivates the worker because the harder they work, the higher a tax bracket they end up in, and the more the government takes from their paycheck every week. With a consumption-based tax, you pay based on what you buy instead of how hard you work. And with the intricate complexities in the voluminous tax code, Americans waste some 6 billion hours and $430 billion each year just trying to comply with this current monstrosity. And beyond all the time and the money involved, just think how much the IRS knows about you. They know about how many kids you have, your income, what charities you give to, and even more specific personal information if you claim any other deductions. Is it really fair to anyone for a government agency to know more about your personal life than maybe even your next door neighbor? Well, guess what? With a consumption tax, all that would end and the government would no longer need all the personal information that you voluntarily give them every year when you fill out your tax return. And even liberals could be happy about a consumption-based tax because when folks with high net worth and high incomes buy all of their high-priced bling, a much higher tax bill comes with that conspicuous consumption. So, what do you think? Leave your comments and thoughts in the comment section below and let me know if you think a consumption-based tax would work.